Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homemade. Today I'm sharing a dairy-free, sugar-free chia pudding, ideal as a breakfast or as a quick meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in a handful or about 8 to 10 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. It's highly important that you soak the almonds overnight and peel them so that the phytates in almonds are released. Phytates may cause digestive issues to some people and may also prevent nutrient absorption. To make 1 cup of almond milk, what I have done is I have already measured 1 cup of water, and from this into the chutney grinder I'm adding in 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to blend this really well. Okay, now the ingredients are nicely ground. I'm transferring the ground ingredients into a bowl, adding the rest of the measured water into the chutney grinder, and I'm washing down the residue onto the cup. So this way I'm getting 1 cup of fresh almond milk. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of protein, dietary fiber and omega-3 healthy fats. The high fiber and protein will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it's ideal to include in your weight loss journey. For flavor, I'm adding in some freshly ground cardamom powder. Freshly ground cardamom powder will give an amazing flavor to the chia pudding. And now with a spoon, I'm giving this all a good mix. It will take around 10 minutes for the chia seeds to swell up. You can always do this process the night before and store it overnight in the refrigerator. This way it will be an easy way to meal prep, and you can make instant chia pudding if you have soaked chia seeds at hand. For sweetness, I'm adding in liquid jaggery. Instead of liquid jaggery, you can use jaggery powder, coconut sugar, date syrup, or even maple syrup. Today I'm using liquid jaggery, also known as kaakvi, and I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of liquid jaggery. And give this all a good mix. Now the addition of sweetener is entirely optional. If you don't prefer the added sweetness, you can totally omit it. Once it is nicely mixed, I'm going to allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. For this recipe, I'm using 1 Alfonso mango. I'm going to peel the skin and chop the Alfonso mango. I have roughly chopped the Alfonso mango, and I have kept aside little of the chopped mango to garnish. Into my serving glass, I'm adding in half of the chopped mango. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, I'm lightly muddling or crushing the mango. Meanwhile, the chia seeds are nicely soaked. I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of the soaked chia seeds over the crushed mango. Add the rest of the chopped mango pieces and fill the serving glass with the soaked chia seeds. Garnish it with the chopped mango cubes. Sprinkle a fat pinch of cardamom powder, some soaked almonds sliced, and lastly just a sprinkle of chia seeds. And my super healthy mango chia pudding is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy chia pudding and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.